Okay, I'm going to take a few things down to the scrapper. I have this lead bar here. It's zeroed out. And it's around 3.32 pounds. I'd like to see if the scale is accurate. Also, I have a little bit of lead here. Maybe 4.5 or 6.5 pounds, and a little bit here. I have a little bit of brass here. And I have a few pieces of wire, not much. And the rest of these 3 buckets are steel. And I got a very little bit of aluminum here. And I'm off. See the scrapper. S, here we come. Give me mine. Back from the scrapyard, I made $23.09. Also, on that piece of lead that was around 3 pounds right here, I made $1.20 off of that. So, I also bought food for both of my sons, and just making money out of just plain garbage. Okay, thank you.